Let's begin exercise 10.1. Here is the question number 1. You need to find the value of this. Simply what you do, you just put the value sine 30 degree. What is the value? 1 by 2 cos 45 degree. The value is 1 by root 2 plus cos 30 degree. The value is root 3 by 2 sine 45 degree 1 by root 2. So this is the value. Now you just multiply 1 into 1, 1, 2 into root 2, 2 root 2 plus root 3 into 1, root 3, 2 into root 2, 2 root 2, correct. Then you take the LCM now. The LCM will be 2 root 2, correct. Then 1 plus root 3. This is the answer. Here is the Roman number 2. So simply you need to put the value 2 into tan 30 degree. The value is 1 by root 3. Then 1 minus tan square 30 degree. Tan 30 degree, what is the value? 1 by root 3. Then you need to do the square, okay. So tan square 30 degree can be written as tan 30 degree whole square, fine. So tan 30 degree value is 1 by root 3. Then you can write the square as it is. This is the way I have written. Tan square 30 degree means tan 30 degree whole square, okay. So tan 30 degree value is 1 by root 3, and square I have written as it is. Now what further you can do? 2 into 1, what? 2. Then in the denominator we have root 3, 2 by root 3. Then here 1 minus, this square is for both, okay. So 1 square is 1, root 3 square is how much? 3. I hope you know square, root 3 square is 3, root 2 square is 2, okay. So 2 upon root 3. Now here you take the LCM. The LCM will be what? 3. Then here will be 3 minus 1, correct. Then upside we have 2 by root 3. Then here we will get 3 minus 1 is 2, 3, right. Now simply what you do, you just write as it is, 2 upon root 3. Then this divide, if I write multiply, then denominator will be inverted, right. This will become 3 by 2, correct. Then 2 can be cancelled. Then finally what do we get? What do we get? We get 3 upon root 3. You see, if you find root in the denominator, then you can easily remove this root by multiplying and dividing by the same number. What is this? This is root 3. So divide and multiply by root 3. I can do it, right? I am multiplying and dividing by root 3. So this root 3 cancel. It is just the same, right? 3 into root 3, it will be 3 root 3. Root 3 into root 3, 3, right? 3 cancel. Then finally you will get root 3 as your answer. So here is the answer. Let us solve this Roman number 3. Sine 30 degree, what is the value? 1 by 2 plus tan 45 degree 1 minus cosec 60 degree 2 upon root 3, right? Sec 30 degree 2 upon root 3 plus cos 60 degree, it is 1 by 2, then plus cot 45 degree, the value is 1. If, by the way, if you don't know the value of these functions such as sine 30 degree, tan 45 degree, and you want a shortcut trick, then please do not forget to comment below. I'll give you the simplest trick to remember the values, okay. Further, simply take the LCM, then you get the answer. So I hope you all know how to take the LCM. 2 and root 3 LCM will be 2 root 3. Then what it remains here? Root 3 plus 2 root 3 minus almost 4, right? Root 3 is already here. With this 2 you have to multiply there, then you will get 4. And in here, if you take the LCM, then it will be 2 root 3. Root 3 is already there. So if you multiply this 2 over there, you will get 4 plus 2 is already here, right? So it will be root 3 minus, not minus, it is plus, right? This is plus, then 2 root 3, fine. So this one and this one you can just cancel out. Then what it remains, you see here, root 3 plus 2 root 3 will be how much? 3 root 3, fine. Then minus 4 divided by 4 plus root 3 plus 2 root 3 will be how much? 3 root 3. Let us solve this Roman number 4. You see here is, this is the interesting question. In the denominator, if you can simply put up the formula also in the denominator. You see here, it is in the denominator, it is exactly of this type. sine square theta plus cos square theta. This is the denominator, sine square theta plus cos square theta, right? So sine square theta plus cos square theta will be equal to 1. Please remember this formula. If without applying this formula also, you can easily solve this. You can simply put the value of sine 30 degree and then you can do the square, right? But if you apply the formula, it becomes so simple. So here in the denominator it will be 1, right? So simply you don't need to write the denominator. Here the denominator is 1, so you can simply ignore this denominator. Now further you can solve the upper part only, right? So if you solve the upper part, then it will be 5 into cos 60 degree, the value is 1 by 2, then you can put square, then plus 4 into sec 30 degree, the value is 2 upon root 3, then whole square, minus tan 45 degree is 1, right? Square is there, so you can do the square. It will be 5 into the square of 1 is 1, so it will be 1 by 4 plus 4 into 2 square is how much? 4. Root 3 square is 3 minus 1 square is 1, right? I hope this is clear. Then further what you do, simply you can take the LCM. Before to that, let's write in little simple way. 5 into 1, 5 by 4 plus 4 for the 16 divided by 3, 16 divided by 3, then minus 1, minus 1. Now take the LCM here, take the LCM. What will be the LCM of 4 and 3? It will be 12, right? Then what will come here? 4 3s are 12, 3 5s are 15, plus 3 4s are 12, 16 4s are 64, minus 12, right? So solve this out, then how much it will become? 15 minus 12 will be 3, right? So 64 plus 3 will be 67 divided by 12. This is the answer. If you like my video, don't forget to subscribe my channel.